Hello, welcome back, and thanks for joining me. Today I received the first journal for the Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal. We're doing it in my Facebook group, Thistledew Creations, and this one is from the Canada group number 2, and this one is from Cindy Leanne, or Cindy Rigby, in Morden, Manitoba, and she has sent me her own book, because this is the first time we're sending. It's spiral bound chipboard cover that she's collaged and made a shaker pocket. I love shaker pockets. And then, of course, a lot of them are doing these letters with the Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal written out. And then she's put her name and the date, the year that we did it. I love the collaging on the front. Really pretty colors. And then inside, she's collaged the inside cover. Similar brilliant colors. She's got some coffee dyed paper in there too. And then there's a note with it. Hello, I am very new to junk journaling, and this is really a lot of fun. I have no rules or suggestion how or what to do in the book, just do you. Have fun and show me your creative side. Looking forward to seeing the book when it's returned. I have treats in the back of the journal. Help yourself. Have fun, Cindy. And then I love this beautiful flower that she's put on the corner of this little note. And then the first page here, we've got some traveling stuff, adventure, where she started, let's go, and where are you from? So she's put a card with her name. And then there's a bunch of empty cards in here of different types. So I'm going to choose to use the guest check because I love guest checks. In fact, it's strange because I've never really used one in my journaling, but I love them as an item to use in journaling. It's the weirdest thing. I'm not sure why I haven't used one. I even begged one at a restaurant we went to one time when the waitress was checking us out, and I said, can I ask you a really strange question? Can I have one of your blank guest checks? And she says, you mean you want your receipt? The one that you ordered? I said, no, I want an empty one. So she gave me one, but I still haven't used it. Anyway, I'm going to write it on here, my name and where I'm from. I'm going to put born. Moved. A little bit of a life history. And that's just a little bit of information about me. So I'm going to put that in with hers. And let's continue our flip through here. So the second side of this page, I'm just checking to see if there's any pockets or anything. Doesn't look like it. Picture of Cindy. And she's got a cute little tab on this page, some rainbows. I like rainbows too. And then I just retired from a 34-year hairstylist career, and now I work with adults with disabilities. When I get a chance, I love to create, and where being home is my happy place. I'm very much the same. I like to go out and have adventures, but like this weekend, it was a snowy, awful weekend. I would just as soon not go anywhere, just stay home and craft. And then the gold letters say hello. I think this is a cork heart that she's got some gold, looks like gold marker pen or something on it. And then create what's important for you. So here we have a page of favorite things. Oh, a flip out. So favorite books, quotes, saying. She likes books, taking pictures, quotes and saying, collecting purses. doing hair, movies. She has 2 pups, Cher and Adele, and strawberry lemonade. Pizza. And I like that this is a flip. And then she's got her 2, the pups. I love the pups. My grandmother, Granny Greer, had a dog like that when I was a kid. And oops, I bought more books. That's cute. That's the song that I sang to my son when he was young. I still do. She likes purses. The park in my town has the best wood fire pizza. Hairdressing. I should send her some hairdressing charms, earrings or something. I have some. Oh, and then we got blank pages. So I'll do a couple of pages, maybe show her some of my favorite things, and then treats for you. So this will lift. Let's see what treats she's included for us. And of course, I'm not going to take them all. I'm going to leave some for my sisters. I have Hello, My Name Is card. Love card with some cutouts. What does this one say? Photo. Some tickets. Play, live, giggle, story, love, soar, and trust. What else have we got? Some words that you can take off. Some more words. And make today count. I like that one. A little checklist. But first, coffee. Every day is a new adventure with whoever or whatever. Well, these are pretty. Those are very pretty. I like those stickers. Yep, they're cut around. I love the little stacked ladybugs. Shine bright. Oh, so happy. I do like rainbows. And just a little piece of cardstock. It looks like it went with, that must have been two-sided scrapbook paper that you could cut out some cards from. More words and some letters and numbers. So I don't know what I'll take yet, and whatever I decide to take out of this envelope, I think I will use it in her journal and then maybe add a couple more things to it before I send it along. So thank you very much for sending on time, Cindy. And I can't wait to decorate a couple pages in this for you. Thanks very much for watching, and if you'd like to participate in this type of a swap, do come and join us on my Facebook group, Thistledew Creations, same name as the YouTube channel, and the link will be in the description box. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, but most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.